Hi everyone, it is Egyptian Queen. Welcome back to my channel. Today, well, right now I am getting ready for work. So, I figured it'd be a good idea to sit down with you guys and do my makeup real quick. I don't have that much time to do everything, to get ready, but I already have my wig on. My wig is installed. I'm just securing the lace in the front, and yeah, I'm going to be kind of doing my makeup really quick because, like I said, I don't have that much time, but I still wanted to make a video for you guys. So here we are. I'm going to do my brows real quick. I'm probably going to speed through that and then show you guys what I'm doing. Okay, so if you want to see how this look turns out, stay tuned, keep watching. This Espresso Brown eyebrow gel, which I got, well, it was given to me, and the person who purchased it off of Amazon and gave it to me. And then I have this brush. I don't even remember exactly where I got this from. I don't remember, but this is the brush that I'm using. I've showed you guys this brush before. This is what it looks like. It's not straight. It goes up on an angle. So yeah, this is the brush I use. I either use this brush to carve out my brows, or I use this brush right here. You can use whichever you feel comfortable using. And then I use this concealer by L'Oreal. I love this concealer. I suggest you get it. I recommend. It's called True Match, and this is in the shade Medium Deep W678. This is what it looks like. I am running out. I need a new one. Typically, when I am getting ready for work, I do not do anything. Well, that's a lie. When I don't have enough time and I'm rushing to get ready for work, that's when I do something very simple. I do a very simple look just because I don't have enough time. But if I do have a lot of time, yeah, that's when I go all in, and I'm so extra. I do the most. But yeah, like I said, today I don't have that much time. I need to stop rambling. So I'm gonna do a very simple, very soft, natural look. I'm going to use the same concealer right here to prime my eyelids. I look that way because I'm looking in the mirror. So yeah, I'm going to use this to prime my eyelids, and I like to use my finger to blend it out. Just my preference. You don't have to do that if you prefer using anything else, a brush or whatever. Or sometimes I use sponge. Yeah, you do that. Just like this. Blend it out with your finger. It looks perfectly fine to me. You don't have to do this if you're against it. Okay. So, and you know what? I have been telling myself for the longest that I am going to make, or that I should do a video, like an eyebrow tutorial, or how my eyebrow routine, how I do my brows, but I never actually did it. So I think I'm actually going to split this up and make another video separate just for my brows. So if you want to check out or see a brow routine, then crossing fingers, I will make this a separate, I will separate it into 2 videos so that you can either just watch brow routine or whatever. I do also want to make another one just to show you guys, because this is what when I did my brows this time, I was using the brow gel, or you can use a I don't know, brow pomade, whatever you use. I also do my brows sometimes using a pencil. So I think I would still make a video showing you guys how I do my brows or my brow routine using a pencil. To me, I think the results sometimes just vary. It looks a tad bit different when you use a brush. Okay. In the future, perhaps. Or if you want to see that, let me know and I'll make a video for that. Just for you. Okay, so moving on to eyeshadow. Like I said, this is a very natural look. So I do use this bronzer. This is by Revlon. Yeah, this is by Revlon. I use this bronzer kit and I use it as an eyeshadow shade. So yeah, I just take this and it gives you just very natural brown look. And yeah, I just apply this all over my eyelid like so. Blend it out real nice. And that is the shade that I go for. This is for like an everyday natural look. If you want to do an everyday natural look, then this is what you would go for. Just blend it out. And typically, if I still have any white harsh lines from when I carved out my brows, I like to blend in. If this is only if you're using like a natural brown color, I like to blend that out into the white, not white, just the concealer that I use. I like to do that. Yeah. And then do the same thing for the other eye. And then once I am done with that, I go on and I add some lashes. Now these lashes that I'm using, I'm so sorry you guys, when the light changes, I'm sorry, I don't control the sun. Trust me, I don't. So I'm sorry if the light keeps changing. I apologize. So yeah, the lashes that I'm going to be using, they are a little bit dramatic. Spices up the look just a little bit. These are the official Mink lashes. I got these online. So what it looks like, they are beautiful, they are gorgeous. This is what it looks like. And yeah, so I'm going to be applying these lashes today. I've worn these lashes so many times, and yes, I am going to be using them today. Now I really like the House of Lashes eyelash adhesive, but I recently got this new one. I don't like this lighting whatsoever, but okay. I recently got this new one. This is the, well, I ran out, so I had to get a new one. And I like when the eyelash adhesive is black, and then they also, so yeah, this one comes in black, and I was really happy. But then I tried it out, and I'm not a huge fan. I think it's gonna take me a lot of time for me to get used to this, just because I don't really like it. I don't like it. I prefer, or I need it, because like this one is so runny, and I guess the old eyelash adhesive that I had was really old, so I've had it for a while, so it was really tacky, and I like that. I like that when I took it out, it was already tacky, and I didn't really have to do so much. I didn't have to wait for it to dry. I didn't have to wait so long for it to dry. This one, on the other hand, I'm not a huge fan. Oh, and yeah, when I apply my eyelashes, when I apply my lashes, I like to use my hands. Over time you'll see that, yeah, when it comes to everything, I just prefer to use my hands. You could use, I have the applicator and all that, and I have tweezers. I use this sometimes. I use my hands and tweezers. But yeah, do what you feel comfortable doing. I personally will be using, where's my eyeliner? Okay, I can't find my other eyeliner, so I'm just gonna use this Stilla eyeliner. I'm going to just draw a line across, indicating where I would be placing my lashes as this dries. I think this is dry, yeah. This is very old. Where's my other eyeliner? I've been wearing these lashes just a little too much lately. And I haven't been taking the best care out of them. I haven't been taking good care of them. So I think this should be my last wear of them, or I would just have to wash it really good and let it dry, because she's not looking that good. She's not. So yeah, I'm going to moving on to foundation. Oh, quick note. If you guys are looking for a good eyeliner, I suggest you get e.l.f. black liner. This is really good. It's really good. I like it. So yeah, moving on, I have these little samples or samples that I got from Sephora. I think I'm gonna use this one's Clinique. This one is Clinique. It is in the shade Toasted Almond. Yeah, I'm going to use this one. Ooh, maybe I'm going to use this. I ran out of I ran out of primer, so I'm not gonna use a primer. But if you have primer, use primer. Yeah, so I'm just going to apply this all over. You know the drill. I'm gonna speed through this. Okay, so foundation's applied. They're looking good, and I'm running late. Great. I'm going to go in with the same concealer I used earlier for my carve out my brows. Same shade, same everything. I'm just going to apply a little bit of it underneath my eyes, nose, right here, and right there, and blend out. Alright, so blend it out. I am going to set, or I'm going to use some finishing powder if I can find it. Where are you? So, okay, I'm going to use this Fit Me made by Maybelline finishing powder. This is in the shade 35 Deep. I'm going to use this. I'm going to apply it underneath my eyes. I'm going to press it in just like this. And it gives you just like a smoother matte look, which is something I love. I'm going to the other eye. And then I'm going to do my laugh lines. And my chin chin. My little chin chin. My chin chin. My chin chin. Okay, like so. Voila. Done. Now I'm going to bronze me cheeks. With this contour palette that I got from Rite Aid. That's what she looks like. I'm going to use the middle shade right here. Where's my brush? Okay. I'm going to use this right here and just bronze up my cheeks, okay? So, I just use like nice, soft, light strokes and just go across that. This side. This. And then when I lift up this, I'll do my forehead. And then I'll go here. Here. Yeah, I'm gonna be late. Every time, I don't know why, every time I tell myself, girl, you're gonna be on time, set this time, do this. I think it's because I sit down and I do makeup, especially right now because I'm making a video. But I can't go in looking crusty. I gotta look cute for myself, okay? I gotta look cute for myself. People always think that you're trying to look cute for someone else, which can be true sometimes. It can be true, but you're not always trying to look cute for the next person. Why could you be looking cute for yourself? I'm trying to look cute for myself. Okay, so I went out at work, because we have mirrors everywhere. When I look in the mirror, I'm like, ooh, Chic. Oh my god, I look so good. You gotta hype yourself up. Hype yourself up all the time. I'm gonna move on to lips. I'm going to use this. This is actually for brows, but I'm going to use it for my lips. I used to use it for my brows, but now I use it for my lips. I'm going to use it as a lip liner and then apply some lip gloss. So yeah, this is from L'Oreal and it is in the shade Brunette. And then I'm going to use this lip gloss right here. It's beautiful. This is so good. I'm going to use this. Now I don't have the name of this. I think it's one of my other. No, it's not. Well, if I find the name, I'll insert. But this comes in a collection of like 4 or 5 different shades, colors. And just press your lips together. This look is like my favorite look, because it's very natural, it's very subtle, it's just, hello, it's just so cute. And then whatever you use, make sure you take it with you. Take it with you in your purse, your bag, whatever. That whenever, if you eat, whatever, if anything comes off, you can just reapply. Okay, so I think we're done makeup wise. Yeah, I think we're done. This is it. This is the makeup look. I don't know what I'm gonna wear. I'll probably just put some shirts on and a bra until I get to work and I'll change. Yeah, sounds like a plan. Alright you guys, this is the finished look. This is how we're looking. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Comment down below, let me know what you want to see next. I will be doing so many more videos, makeup and hair related. Yeah, makeup and hair related. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys are having an amazing, lovely day. And I will see you guys next time. Bye.